everyone, this is Inna with Innichkachef. Welcome to my kitchen. Again, I have a guest and we make it another Mexican recipe, another drink, perfect for this weather. It's a hot chocolate. It's a Mexican chocolate. It's a spicy chocolate. Has to be spicy, right? We're also going to use Mexican cinnamon. You can use any cinnamon you want, right?
Mm-hmm.
You want, also we're using raw can sugar.
And not too much, maybe just a tiny bit.
Okay. And regular milk, you can use any milk of your choice, right?
Yes.
Any milk. And what's this?
This is the most famous hot chocolate in Mexico. It's called chocolate abuelita.
Where can we find that?
You can find it at any grocery store, Walmart, Food Lion, Publix.
Where's the
Just
Spanish?
the Hispanic section is. It gets the.
Since we're going to boil and simmer milk, in order to not escape milk, I'm going to add a little bit of butter just to make milk to not be escaper today. We're adding cinnamon,
The pepper. And a little bit of sugar,
a
yeah.
little bit sugar. We need to fish out that bad guy.
You don't want to drink it.
Yes, especially when it opens up and the ends get loose. Oh my gosh, then that's when heat is coming.
Yeah.
When it's coming from inside, it's super spicy. Let me try. We can go for more pepper. It has tiny bit
Like a flavor.
Yes, just a little bit. I actually prefer even more spicy. But it's not very sweet. You can go more or less sweeteners and it's delicious. It has very deep, rich chocolate flavor. It's nothing to do with the chocolate from a packet. It's not. It's real, true, good hot chocolate. The real deal. Make this chocolate from scratch and it will be warm you up from inside out, right?
Yes.
Thank you for sharing this
You're welcome.
awesome recipe. This is the third recipe we filmed today, and thank you for all your help to share with all my viewers. I appreciate all your time to spend it on my channel, and I'll link below all recipes and all related, and I hope you cook everything